The horse walks around in mainly a trance state or a deep meditative state, also known as their parasympathetic nervous system. And the parasympathetic nervous system is the place where we go at nighttime, when we go to sleep. It's the rest and digest. It's where we can restore ourselves. It's a deep space of relaxation. Also in the meditative space, it's the alpha and theta realms of the brain. And so the horse mainly lives in this. The horse is also a prey animal. So the way they live their life is mainly they walk around in their parasympathetic nervous system, that trance space. And then when they have a threat, they go into the fight or flight, the sympathetic nervous system, and then they're able to drop right back into their parasympathetic nervous system or that trance space. So what this tells us is that the horse is usually very good at regulating themselves, having coherency in their heart and in their nervous system. So when the horse is mainly in a coherent state, what this does for us and our nervous system is that it begins to entrain our nervous system to the frequency or that more coherent state that the horse is living in. So just by being around them, we start to drop into that trance, into that meditative space, and we begin to heal and restore ourselves. So this is why it's so important just sharing time with horses.